How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can turn off professional mode on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you had enabled professional mode on Facebook and then now you decide that you would like to disable it, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Facebook application here, and then you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and currently you can see that I have added a professional mode setting enabled. So to disable it, just tap on the three dots option from here, and when you tap on three dots, you'll find one option here that says turn professional mode off. So you can tap on it and then tap on the continue option again, then tap on turn off, and then professional mode will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.